Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove a follower on Instagram without blocking, privacy method step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Tap the followers count to open the full list of people who follow you. Use the search bar at the top of the followers list to type the username you want to remove. Tap the username in the results to confirm you selected the correct person. Go back to the followers list if their profile page opens, so you can access the removal option. Find the same username again in the followers list to see the action button next to it. Tap the remove button next to that follower's name. If you see a confirmation pop up, tap remove again to confirm the action. Wait one moment for Instagram to update the list and remove that account from your followers. Understand that this does not block them, so they can still find your profile again. To make this a privacy method, tap the three lines menu on your profile page. Tap Settings and Privacy to open your account privacy options. Tap Account Privacy and locate the private account toggle. Turn on private accounts so new follows require your approval. Go back one step and tap Messages and Story Replies to control who can contact you. Tap Message Requests and set who can send you requests based on your preference. Return to Settings and Privacy and tap Story. Set Story Replies to people you follow or off for tighter control. Tap Close Friends and review your list so only trusted people see close friends' stories. Go back and tap Tags and Mentions to limit who can tag or mention you. Choose people you follow or no one to reduce unwanted exposure. Now open the removed person's profile using search to check your current visibility. Tap the following dropdown if you were following them and select unfollow if needed. Tap the three dots on their profile and choose restrict if you want less interaction without blocking. If you want extra privacy, choose mute and mute their posts and stories without them knowing. Return to your profile and recheck your followers list to ensure they are no longer there. Remember that if your account is public, they can refollow instantly, so private mode is key. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.